Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope that all of you are fine. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome all of you to my online class. Today, I will discuss about trigonometry. The basic discussion of this exercise I will discuss today. So, let's start our class. Trigonometry. The word trigonometry derived from two words, trigon and metry. Trigon and metry. Trigon means triangle. And metry means measurement, measure. So trigonometry means measurement of triangles of triangle. Actually, we just measured the ratio of the three sides and angles of the triangle by using trigonometry. But in the ancient time, people used trigonometry to find out the height of the tree by using the shadow, as well as the height of the building by using the shadow, and also the width of the river by standing one bank of the river. Nowadays, trigonometry is used in every branches of the mathematics and science. So it is well established in mathematics. There are two types of trigonometry in mathematics, that is plane trigonometry and the spherical trigonometry. Today we will discuss about the plane trigonometry. Look, this is the plane surface. We draw two straight line x prime and y prime. These two straight lines are mutually perpendicular to each other and they intersect each other at O. So O is called the origin. Look, here the plane surface divided into four pieces by these two straight lines, and each pieces is called ordered quadrant. Each species is known as quadrant and each species is 90 degree. Look, if OX is initial line, then it will be 0 degree. Then after first quadrant, it will be 90 degree. 90 degree we write as pi by 2 because pi is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 2 will be 180, that is 90 degree. After second quadrant, it will be 80 degree, 180 degree, that is pi. After third quadrant, it will be 270 degree, that is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. And after fourth quadrant, it will be 360 degree, that is 2 pi. Look, this is first quadrant. And this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now we will find out the angles in this fourth quadrant, positive angle and the negative angle. What is positive angle? If you revolve the initial line into anti-clockwise, then it will be positive angle. Say you draw an angle like this. So this is positive theta because it go anti-clockwise. But if you revolve the initial line into clockwise, so it will be minus theta, minus angle. So what is the positive angle? if you revolve the initial line to the positive anti-clockwise, it will be positive angle, and if you revolve the initial line into clockwise, it will be negative angle. Now we will find out the location of 430 degree. That means in which quadrant is the angle 430 degree. Look, this is positive angle, and 430 degree we can write 360 plus 70 degree. 430 degree we can write 360 plus 70 degree. Now this 360 degree we can write as 4 into 90 degree plus 70. That means if you want to find out the location of 430 degree, you should revolve the initial line into 4 quadrant. Initial line you should revolve 4 quadrant, and after that if you go ahead, you will get the location of 430 degree. Now look, first quadrant 190 degree, 290 degree, 390 degree, 490 degree, 490 degree, and then after 490 degree we will go more 70 degree to find out the 430 degree. So 430 degree located into first quadrant. Look, this is positive, so we will go to anti-clockwise like this. Now if you want to find out the location of minus 520 degree, how can you find out the location of minus 520 degree in this quadrant? Now you can write this 450 plus 70 degree. 520 we can write 450 into 70 degree, that is we can write 5 into 90 plus 70 degree. So look, if you want to find out the location of 520 degree, you should revolve 5 quadrant. After that, if you go ahead, you will get the location of 520 degree. But look, this is negative, minus. So you should move or revolve in clockwise. We will move 5 quadrant in clockwise, that is like this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, we have completed 5th quadrant. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. After that, if you go ahead more 70 degree, we will get the location of 520 degree. This is at 3rd quadrant. So 5 minus 520 degree located in 3rd quadrant. Why we will go to the clockwise? Because this is minus, so we will go to clockwise. Like this, we can find out the any angle in this quadrant. Now we will discuss about the measurement of the angle. To measure the angle, we use 2 unit system, that is number 1 degree measurement, system, and number 2 radian measurement system. What is degree measurement system? In this system, we consider the right angle, 90 degree, as a unit of the angle measurement. So right angle is considered as the unit of the measurement of the angle. So we know 90 degree is equal to 1 right angle. 90 degree is equal to 1 right angle. Now if you divide 90 degree into 90 pieces, if you divide 90 degree into 90 pieces, each pieces will be 1 degree. Again, if you divide 1 degree into 60 pieces, it will be 1 minute. If you divide 1 degree into 60 pieces, every pieces will be 1 minute. And so we can say 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Look, here this sign is known as minute, 1 inverse, and this sign is known as degree. So 60 degree is equal to 1 minute. Now again, if you divide 1 minute into 60 pieces, it will be 1 second. That is 60 second equal to 1 minute. Look, if you give 2 inverse, it will be second, and 1 inverse as a symbol of minute. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. What we know? 60 second equal to 1 minute. 60 minute equal to 1 degree, and 90 degree is equal to 1 right angle. That is the unit of degree measurement. Now, radian measurement system. What is radian? In any circle, the angle subtended to the center, subtends to the center, produced by an arc whose length is equal to the length of the radius is known as 1 radian. In this circle, O is the center and the radius OQ, and POQ angle produced at the center of the circle by the arc PQ. PQ is equal to OQ, that is R. So the angle POQ is 1 radian. Now you may think, what is the relation between the degree and the radian? Now I will show you the relation between the degree and radian. Actually, we know 1 radian is equal to 2 by 5 right angle. So 2 by 5 into 90 degree, that is 180 by 5 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by 5 degree. Look, radian we will express by the symbol C, and degree we will express by the symbol 0. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by 5 degree. Similarly, we can write 1 degree. So 1 degree is equal to what? 1 degree will be 5 by 180 radian. Look here, the value of pi is 3.1416. So if 1 degree is equal to 5 by 180 by 6, so you can find out degree. 90 degree will be 5 by 180 into 90 radian, that is 5 by 2 radian. So 1 degree 5 by 180 radian, 90 degree 5 by 2 radian. Similarly, you can find out 180 degree. So what is 180 degree? 180 degree is equal to 5 by 180 into 180 radian. So that is 5 radian. So 180 degree is equal to 5 radian. Now look, we got 1 degree equal to 180 by 5 radian. If you divide 180 by the value of pi, that is 180 by 3.1416 radian, what it will be? It will be 0.01745 radian approximately. So we can say 1 degree equal to 0.01745 radiant. Similarly, we know 1 radiant equal to pi by 180 degree. Now if I put the value of pi 3.1416, sorry, it will be degree by 180, what it will be? It will be 57.29578 degree approximately. Now if you convert it into degree, minute and second, it will be 57 degree 70 minute 44.81 second. So if you convert 57.29578 degree into degree, minute and second, it will be 57 degree 17 minute 44.81 second. So it may come as the MCQ. The 1 degree is equal to 1 radiant is equal to how many degree? And also you will get a question, 1 degree is equal to how many radiant? So you should keep it in your mind, 1 degree is equal to how many radiant and 1 radiant equal to how many degree. If you forward, you can find out it by like this, pi by 180. If you divide the value of pi by 180, you will get the required result. Now I will solve a short question. This type of question you will get in MCQ. Express at 30 degree 12 minute 36 second in radiant. How can you express this in radiant? 30 degree 12 minute 36 second. So we know 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So if you want to convert second to minute, you should divide it by 60. That is 30 degree 12 minute plus 36 by 60 minute. So what it will be? It will be 30 12 plus, if you cancel it, it will be 3 by 5 minute. Look, these two are minute. Now we can add this 2. If we add this 2, it will be 30 and 5 12s are 60, 63 by 5 minute. Now again, if you want to convert minute into degree, it will be, you should divide it by 60. 30 degree plus 63 by 5 into 60 degree. If you cancel this by 3, it will be 21 and it will be 20. 30 degree plus 21 by 100 degree. Now look, this is degree and this is also degree. We will add this 2. If we add this 2, it will be 3021 by 100 degree. Now we know 1 degree is equal to, pi by 180 radian. So 3021 by 100 degree is equal to 3021 by 100 into pi by 180 degree, 80 radian. It will be radian. Now if you calculate it, what it will be? Now multiply it, it will be 3021 pi by 18000 radiant. Now, if you divide it, it will be 0.5273 radiant. So we can say 30 degree 12 minute 36 second is equal to 0.5273 radiant. 30 degree 12 minute 36 second equal to 0.5273 radiant. So we can convert degree to radian. Similarly, we can convert radian to degree. Now we will solve another short question, that is radian to degree. It is given 3 pi by 13. We will convert it into degree, minute and second. Actually 3 pi by 13, this is given as a radian. We will convert it into degree, minute and second. We know 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. So it becomes degree now. 3 pi by 13 radiant. If I multiply 180 by pi with 3 pi by 13, it becomes degree. Now multiply it, pi and pi cancel. It will be 543. 180 is 540 by 13 degree. Now we convert it into degree, minute and second. How you convert this degree, minute and second? I will show this in another portion. You should divide 514 by 13. 13 fours are 52. 20. 13 ones are 13. It remains 7. Actually, this is in degree. So, if you multiply degree by 60, it becomes minute. 420 minute. So 41 degree. Now we go to the another step, that is minute. Now 13 3s are 39 minute, that is 30. Now 13 2s are 26. It remains 4 minute. Nothing left. So now we should convert this minute into second. Multiplied by 16, that is 240 second. Now divide this 240 second by 13. It will be go one time 13, that is 11110. Now it is go 8 times 104, that is 6. And now take a decimal, give a 0 over there, then again 13 4s are 52, 80, that is 6, 78, 2 second is left. So 18.46 second. So what we get? If you divide 540 by 13, you will get 41 degree 32 minute 18.46 second. So our ultimate result is 41 degree 32 minute 18.46 second. This is equal to 3 pi by 13 radiant. Now I will discuss some proposition from this exercise. Proposition 1. The ratio of the circumference and the diameter of a circle is always constant. The ratio of the circumference and the diameter of a circle is always constant. Say the circumference is P and the diameter is D, so P by D is always constant. And this constant value is known as pi. So P by D is equal to pi. This is the proposition 1. Now proposition 2, the circumference of a circle of radius r is 2 pi r. The circumference of a circle of radius r is 2 pi r. Now look, here diameter is equal to 2r, 2 times of the radius. So we can say P by 2r equal to pi. So therefore P equal to 2 pi r. If you multiply 2r with pi, you will get P equal to 2 pi r. That is, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now 3 number proposition, the angle produced by an arc, the angle subtended to the center of a circle produced by an arc always proportional to that arc. Say this is a circle and this is a angle produced at the center by the arc PQ. So angle POQ is proportional to the length of the arc PQ. That is, angle POQ is proportional the length of PQ arc. This is the proposition 3. Now the proposition 4, the radiant angle is always constant. Yes, the radiant angle is always constant. We know 1 radian is equal to 2 by 5 right angle. Here pi and the right angle both are constant. The value of pi is 3.1416 and right angle is 90 degree. So these two are fixed, constant. So the radiant is also constant always. Any arc S produce an angle theta at the center of the circle of radius r, then S is equal to r theta. This is proposition 5. That means if the length of PQ is S and OQ is r, that is radius, and this arc PQ produce an angle theta, so the relation between the theta and the arc is S equal to r theta. This is proposition 5. Now I will discuss about the trigonometric ratio of an acute angle. Say this is a right angle A, B, C, and this is the acute angle, that is equal to theta, and we know here AC is the opposite of the theta, that is opposite side, and BC is adjacent side, and AB is the opposite of the right angle, so this is hypotenuse. So we know from this triangle we get 6 ratio, that is sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Again cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. If you know this 3, you can find out the opposite 3. The opposite of sin theta, that is cosec theta, equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, and the opposite of the cos theta is sec theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side, and the opposite of tan theta is cot theta, that is adjacent by opposite side. So I think all of you know this 6 ratio of an acute angle. Now if we draw two straight line x and x prime and y prime, this plane will be 4 quadrant. As like as the previous time I have already discussed about the 4th quadrant. First quadrant. In first quadrant, all the 6 ratio are positive. So we will write all positive. But in the second quadrant, only the sine and cos are sine, and the opposite of sine, that is cosec, are positive. Similarly, in the third quadrant, tan and the opposite of tan, that is cot, are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos theta and the opposite of cos theta, that is sec theta, are positive. So you should know in which quadrant which one are positive and which one are negative. In the first quadrant all are positive. In second quadrant sine theta and the cosec theta are positive, but remaining 4 are negative. Similarly, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, but the remaining 4 are negative. In fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive and the remaining 4 are negative. Now I will discuss some identity of this exercise, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is the first identity of this exercise. From this identity we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, 2 number identity, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From here we also get more 2, that is sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta, that is sec square theta minus 1. Now third number identity, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. From this we will get more 2, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. If you know this 6 identity, you can solve any math from this exercise. So practice this again and again. Now I will discuss some MCQ from this chapter. Now look at the board. If we rotate any ray clockwise, the angle is what? We know if we rotate clockwise, it will be negative angle, and if we rotate anti-clockwise, it will be positive angle. So the answer of this question is negative angle. In which quadrant minus 2130 degree angle is situated? Look, this is minus, so we will rotate it into clockwise, and 2130, after how many quadrant we should rotate it, we will get the location of this angle. So how can you find out this? You should divide it by 90. If you divide it by 90, what it will be? Look, 180, and this is 3 3 0. 270, and it remains 0 and 60. So look, after 23 quadrant we will get the location of this 23 quadrant. So if you move like this, look at the board, it will be clockwise. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. After that it will go 60 degree. So this is at first quadrant. So this is at first quadrant. What is the ratio of the circumference and the diameter of a circle? Just now I have discussed the ratio of circumference and the diameter of a circle are constant, and that is equal to 5. Convert 45 degree 25 minute 36 second into radian. I have shown you how to you convert this into radian. At first, convert this second to minute and add this minute with that, and again convert minute to degree and add the 45 degree with that. After that, we know 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. You should multiply the total degree into pi by 180 radian. You will get it at radian. Now 5 number question. Any wheel diameter is 0.84 meter and it's rotates 6 times. 6 times in a second. Determine its speed. We know speed is always kilometer per hour. So we should find out the speed in kilometer in hour. At first, you should identify the circumference of the wheel. It is given the diameter. We know circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here 2 into 3.1416 into r. R is 84. That is 0.42. If you multiply, you will get 2.6389. So this is the circumference of the wheel. That means if the wheel rotates one time, it passes 2.6389 meter. Now it rotates 6 times. So multiply it by 6. If you multiply this by 6, $15.8337. So it means in 1 second it passes 15.8337 meter. Now we convert it into kilometer and hours. If you convert it into kilometer, you should divide it by 1000. So 15.8337 divided by 1000 to convert it into kilometer. Now this is for 1 second. We should convert it into hour. We know 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So you should multiply 3600 over there. And after that, if you calculate it, you will get the speed of that wheel. So the speed of that wheel is 57.0012 kilometer per hour. So if you want to find out the speed, at first you should find out the circumference of the wheel, and the circumference means it rotates one time. If it rotate one time, it pass that length. Now 6 number question. Determine the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when it is 3 p.m. In a clock, this is 12 and this is 3. Like this. Look, we know there are 360 degree in that clock and there are 60 minutes. So 60 minute equal to 360 degree. 60 minute equal to 360 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 360 divided by 60, that is 6 degree. That is 6 degree. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. Now look, how many minutes over there? Up to 3, there is 15 minutes. 3 5s are 15 minutes. So if you multiply 15 with 6, it will be 90 degree. Look, it look like 90 degree. So the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when it is 3 p.m. is 90 degree. If theta equal to 30 degree, what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? What is the value of theta? That is not a fact. When it is sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value is always 1. So it will be 1. So my dear student, hope that you have understood. Practice again and again at your home. If you practice more, you can answer all the question from this exercise. Allah Hafiz. See you again.